Hello, my name is José Sonic Lovuri, and I'm here to explain my POE part 3. So first of all, we have some arrays here. We have 5 arrays, and each array keeps a different kind of information. Yeah, it keeps a different kind of information. We have sent message, uh, disregarded messages, stored messages, message hashes, and message ID. So we have one constructor here. Uh, we have one constructor here. Load code load stored messages from JSON. We have this constructor here, and this constructor runs automatically when the object message manager is created. He calls two methods: the load stored messages from JSON. This method, this constructor reads the message from the archive from JSON, and the load this data or data loads 5 message from the tests that we have here. These tests here. So let's continue. Let's continue here, and we have these expressions here. The load stored data from JSON that we mentioned it before. So I created an object called JSON to read JSON because I define what the kind of list I will read. And I opened the archive message JSON, and I converted all the content from the archive in objects or message objects, and then I fill the array stored message with this information. And then we have the display stored sender and recipients. So here is simple. On this method here is the method where all the message are stored, and shows the sender and the recipient each time, like one time for each. And this is the option of the sub menu as requested on the sheet. So we have displays longest stored message here, and imagine we have our first message is the longest one, is the longest, and then the program will compare the size of the text among all the message. So if the program finds a text bigger than this one, he will substitute, he will change it, and then on the final the program will print the longest message. So we have another expression here, search by message ID. So we have this method here. This method is where all the messages uh, how stored messages runs, and this method compares the digitalized ID with digitalized the how can I explain it, compares the ID and the ID digitalized or typed with the ID message, the ID from the message. I think teacher understood this or understands it. If the program found if the program found this, the program will show all the data from these messages. If not found, the program will show message ID is not found. So if shows, will show the message, the all the information, the ID. If not, won't show. As we can see here, this will display on the user screen. Message ID is not found. So we have other expression here. Is the method to search the messages. So we will search the messages by the message ID. As we can see here, if found is true, the program will run. If not, as we can see here, this message will appear, will display on the user screen. No messages found for this recipient. And then we have here the delete message by hash. So this method runs all the messages by the hash. If found a message, will remove an array, shows the message with success. If not, the program will end and this message will display on the user screen. And then we have to display the full report here. The full report. This report shows all the messages stored, and all the messages stored, and in these messages will show all the data from these messages. The ID, the sender name, the recipient name, what kind of message, the hash, everything. And that's it. We have here the tests as requested on the sheet. As I said before, this constructor will call these expressions here from the test, and will appear on the program. And we have the menu as well, the sub menu. Let me see the sub menu. Main. Yes, we have here the menu. This is all the messages that will appear for the user, and we have here the sub menu with the switch. I need to do a big research to how to do a sub menu and stuff, all the stuff. So that's it. Thank you, sir. This POE was very hard, very hard. Thank you.